Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Ainjana binti Muhammad Nasri from class BA246-4D. Today, I would like to present business model canvas about my company Kueh Enterprise. Why is called as Kueh Enterprise? It represents of our product that are focused mostly on traditional kueh. My company is a sole proprietorship. For the organization chart, we have Nurul Ain, me as General Manager, Rifdi Ali as Financial Manager, Hanis Ghazali as Administration Manager, Naim Zafran as a worker, and Siti Hajar as a worker of Kueh Enterprise. Next is problem statement. First problem statement is no varieties of topping. Since the ordinary chakar eat only with chili sauce and pandan sauce. Second is not well known among Malaysian people and foreigner. This is because chakar is not famous as pisang goreng. Therefore, this is our opportunity to bring it famous among them. Next is non-instant chakar provided. Since chakar is very hard to do by self, therefore we are provide instant chakar for them to eat in anywhere, everywhere, and anytime. This is the SWOT analysis that I conduct for two competitors, which is from Kueh Food and Stall and also Gerai Maklum. Kueh Food and Stall, the suggestion is the price is very cheap and always have promotion. The weakness is unattractive packaging, do not provide delivery service, opportunities, opening new branches on other places such as Pantai Chenang and Bandar Maksirat, and also they are partner under the government initiative. The trust is negative review and competitors offer delivery and takeaway. Gerai Kueh Maklum, the strength is strong brand name, regular customer, but the weakness is service hour too short, long waiting duration. Opportunities expanding the business and keeps things fresh. Their trust is rising cost of raw materials and the competitors. Next slide is purpose of business model canvas or called SPMC. First, give a baseline which is to consider future changes to Kueh Enterprise business model, to improve the focus and clarify of what our business is trying to achieve. Third, to align with other internal stakeholders in the project to ensure that we have a common view on our business model. In business model canvas, it consists of key partners, key activities, value proposition, customer relationship, customer segments, cost structure, revenue stream, channels, and also key resources. Next is customer segment. Customer segment help business to determine the best method to attract new customer, build virality, and create awareness about the product. Firstly, Kueh Enterprise choose geographical segmentation. Kueh Enterprise located at the main town of the Langkawi, which is a Kuah town. The location is very strategic because it is the main entry point for those coming by ferry from the mainland of Penang Island. Second is demographical segmentation through age, nationality, and also income. Kueh Enterprise offers product to all groups from different of age consists of kids, teenagers, and elders. Different group of age have different types of preferences. So, Kueh Enterprise will do a value proposition to suit with their preferences. Next, Kueh Enterprise also use nationality because in Langkawi there are many tourists from different nationalities. Therefore, it is suitable to introduce our product, which is Malaysian traditional food, to them. After that, Kueh Enterprise also choose target is income of the customer. Our target are for those customers that has middle income to high income, because our price is started from RM9 for the basic chakar. Third is behavioral segmentation to occasion and loyalty. For example, of occasions such as birthday party, company event, wedding ceremony, or festival like Lima, which are famous during March. Kueh Enterprise also offer the customer to come out with their own preferences and tastes. Besides this, Kueh Enterprise also provide loyalty promotion for the customer who always come and eat to our cafe in order to create positive relationship with them. For the value proposition, to meet their expectation and to build the first relationship, first we do to follow the trend of the taste of the customer, because nowadays we see that most of the customer will do or we go for something going to viral. Next, we are also take serious on quality of our product. This is to make sure that the customer is satisfied with our product and worth it for the pay for our product. Next is channels. Kueh Enterprise raise awareness about their product through social media such as Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, and also Instagram. This is because customers can be reached through social media because in average, mostly people spend more time in their social media. Besides that, Kueh Enterprise also use flyers to distribute around the jetty point Kuah, airport and also around Langkawi attraction to the tourists and also local people. Furthermore, Kueh Enterprise also have physical store which located at Kuah Town for those customers who want to walk in and eat at there. To build the positive customer relationship with the customer, first, we send the birthday card and also attach a discount voucher as a gift for them to appreciate their presence to our cafe. Next, we also provide a very friendly staff to do their service and give the best service to our customer. And then, we also give that 10% discount for those customers who have been our membership. Next is revenue streams. Kueh Enterprise also provides delivery service to the customer. Customer who want to eat at the home or who want to eat at the hotel, they can use our own delivery service. Our fee range from RM5 ringgit to 10 ringgit based on the location. But the customer must order at least 2 minimum products if they want to deliver it. Next, Kueh Enterprise also provide a variety of method of payment. First is cash on delivery. Cash on delivery and online banking are used for those customers who want to order by online. Debit and credit and also cash are for those customers who walk into our cafe. Next is key activities. We need to do promotion through social media in order to create awareness about our product around the Langkawi people and also the tourists from local or another countries. Second, we need to getting higher our sales in order to cover all the maintenance and all the material of Kueh Enterprise. Next, about the product, we are trying to make a traditional quality product that match with the customer preferences and certified. Next is key resources. Key resources are the building block describe the most important asset needed to make and running a business. For our shop is a single shop office where at the same floor we have operation, manufacturing, display our goods, conduct of business relating to administration, consulting and other client services. Our building size is around 22 x 70 square feet. Besides that, our cafe are located at the middle town which near with the tourist attractions such as Jetty Kuah, Square, Eden Square and Kuah Town. In order to get the best raw material, we will dealing with the best supplier. Before we dealing with them, we are doing our plan before negotiate. This is to set our clear goals and work out where we will draw the line and walk away for the deal. For machinery and equipment, mostly we buy directly from the wholesaler because the price from the wholesaler is more cheaper than from the manufacturer. The list of machines that we bought is mixer, refrigerator, cash register, coffee machine, and also food warmer display. For equipment, table, chair, utensil, frying pan, gas, stove, kitchen hand and frying pan rack, and also cleaner equipment. For our key partnership, we are using local supplier and SME as our supplier. For local supplier, we import our raw materials from Janice One Bakery, Lina Bakery and Pastry Langkawi. This is all from the Langkawi. And then for the chocolate supplier, the supplier is from Haji Ismail Group since they are the main supplier chocolate in Langkawi and the price are cheaper. This is because our cafe really want to put high quality raw materials to give the best quality and taste to our customer. Besides that, we are using local supplier from Cameron Highland to supply our strawberry, which is Big Let Strawberry and KHM Strawberry. To support the SME, we buy the banana from the Pak Abu and also Achong. This is to give opportunity for them to keep growing in their business and also to support them. The last part in BMC is cost structure. In cost structure, there contains of 3 budget, which is administration budget, marketing budget, and also operation budget. In administration budget, it includes furniture and fitting, office equipment, office machinery, car, salary, utilities, shop rental, deposit rent, business registration and license, ROTEC, emergency equipment, toll and petrol. This total cost to RM 88,684 ringgit and 75 cents. Next is marketing budget. We spend on signboard, grand opening, business card and flyers, which cost us RM 2,650 ringgit Malaysia. Next is we spend on operational budget, which is we use for machinery and equipment such as mixer, coffee blender, and also etc. And also material and equipment, and it costs us RM 10,350 ringgit and 95 cents.